Good morning from Grapevine. It's February 17th, about 7:30 in the morning. We've just had a fresh coating of new snow overnight, maybe 1 or 2 inches, but it's pretty much looking really beautiful this morning. I think our temperature is about 20 degrees, which is pretty much as warm as it's been for several days. George and Fiona are out enjoying this beautiful weather, and hopefully we will be getting warmer from here on in. Many people have been out of power for several days. We unfortunately have not. We've managed to keep our power and stay warm. Our only minor glitch yesterday was when the water pipe in our building burst, so we lost water for just a few hours, just a minor inconvenience. Nothing compared to what some people are going through. Here we are, just taking our stroll. Fiona is trying to work her way through the snow. Underneath it, as I just noticed, there's a bit of ice. So it's definitely something to watch out for. It's not exactly as safe as it looks, because yesterday we had a lot of ice melting and refreezing. So now, as beautiful as this all looks, there's still plenty of ice hiding underneath there, and may be there for another day or two. We are looking forward to next week, where it'll be 65 degrees, and all this, sadly, will be gone. But for now, we are out enjoying the day. Both George and Fiona are really having a great time. Look at that pose, George, huh? Did you see a kitty cat? George, did you see a kitty cat or a squirrel? You're just out here trying to see what's going on. Hi, Fiona. Fiona, oh, girl. Hey, aren't you excited about the day? What do you see, huh? Look at you two, huh? You're both having a great time out here. You just want to go out all day long and play in the snow, huh? They're looking for any sign of movement, and they get very curious as to what's going on. But the snow is not too bad right now. And without a wind chill, this is actually feeling pretty great. They're just sniffing everything, trying to figure out what happened overnight. Yes, we got more. We got more, huh? Hi, Fiona. Can you say hello? You don't want to say hello? Do you want to? You're looking so pretty there, huh? And what's your brother up to? Let's see what George is up to. George is being George, huh? Oh, don't do that. What, do you see people out there? Do you see people out there, huh? Look at you two, huh? Couldn't be happier. Well, this is our morning. We are having a little bit of a walk, enjoying the fresh snow, and it'll be, hopefully, a little warmer in the next few days. But you really have to enjoy it while it happens. It's such a rare sight in Texas. It's never been like this. It's been a record temperature, which we have set of about -3 degrees or something like that. And that's been as cold as it's been in almost 100 years, they've said. So, for now, we're going to go finish our walk, enjoy it, and see how the day progresses. So, everyone out there, you take care, stay warm, and we'll update later.